Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to take a quick peek at the Trimble Business Center as a whole. What is it? How we can how it can help us with our tasks. Here I have it open on my screen, and the best way to figure out what is Trimble Business Center or give you a little bit overview is to go to support and hit this license manager. And this will actually tell you what the software is capable of, and yeah, uncheck the unlicensed features. So let's take a quick peek. It has a module as a survey, field data, site modeling, site construction, utility modeling, infrastructure, monitoring, aerial photogrammetry, GIS, mobile mapping, scanning, tunneling, lots of features. So I would define Business Center as Trimble's office suite, which is capable of doing all this field to office tasks. So from data preparation, data collection, data analyzing, to takeoffs, 3D modeling, whatever you can think of, you can do it in Trimble Business Center. Again, another one to look at is these tabs. They are designed to help you go through certain tasks. So if you look at survey, for example, you have the field data. Which data you bring in? The next one is GNSS processing, so processing baselines and all that. You got optical with the terrestrial instruments like total station. Network adjustments, the projections and everything, and COGO, so some basic tasks which you can do, transforming points, exploding points, merging points, and so on. So that would be for survey. Then you have the GIS. Again, you have the processing of baseline, the connections with the feature definitions, the data. Then you have the CAD, so basic CAD functions. Is it the CAD software? Of course it is. Does it have the capability of, let's say, Civil 3D or MicroStation? We're not there yet, but the Trimble Business Center over the past few years, it gained incredible CAD features. The things I like about the CAD features are because they are designed for the field guys. They are easy to follow and easy to create. So you got, again, layers, points, lines, edits, data manipulation, and images, right? That's a big part of today's CAD software is the PDFs, the images, georeference the images. Then you have drafting, obviously. You have the text, the dimensions, the labels, the tables, the blocks, the drafting, right? Elements like type of lines, symbols. You have sheets for printing. You have the Dynoviews for printing, and obviously printing sets, 3D PDFs. Next one here, you have surfaces, obviously. Create surfaces, surface members, how to create surfaces, some break lines, whatever. And you have the projected surfaces, if you need to do that, paving, tunneling, whatever. You got the subgrades adjustments, you got the edit surfaces, so swap triangles, trim edge surfaces, and you have contours. You need to create the contours, and then you have some reports. Next one is corridors for all the road work, all the linear type of design. So you got the alignments, you got the corridors, you got the subgrade, you got the cross sections, profiles, stations offset, infrastructure where you can create interchange, right? And then reports, obviously. Point clouds, very popular nowadays with the scanning, right? So registration, regions, views, rendering, measuring, and deliverables. Construction data, so you got to work with controllers, the work orders, publishing data, whether it's to the controllers, to the machines, works manager. You see, you still have the SCS data manager, work OS. So all these are to interact with all the Trimble equipment out there. Photogrammetry, obviously flying, right? Trimble, either UAVs or the copters, well, that's UAVs as well. So again, you can coordinate GNSS if they are enabled, you know, photo adjusting. Again, next one is monitoring. When you're doing monitoring, whether it's just like regular basis or just project specific, again, very nice. I did the overview of the monitoring module. Data prep, when you're prepping the data for the controllers, for the machine. So, you know, some CAD project cleanups, some elevating of contours when you're doing some from PDF, some surface work and some line work. Takeoffs, really good module for the contractors, where you can take the PDF plans, the plans per se, and you can basically digitize them, bring out the data out of them, and create the 3D, 2D takeoffs. So whether it's your counts and lengths, or whether you need the actual volumes of the materials you want to bring, right? So you got that digitizing images, layers, improvements, takeoff reports, and then cut fill maps, so you know what to expect on the site. Next one is side masshaul. So when you have the linear sites, roads, whatever, and you have borrow sites and you have the dump sites, you can create the masshaul analysis, which, you know, you can go as deep as cost per liter of gasoline, or you know, whatever, and it will analyze your lines. This goes kind of together. So this was a side, this is corridor, right? So that's all I meant. Utility, so all the underground work, right? You can have a 3D nicely with the trenches, with the materials you need, with the lengths and everything. These RPS, those are the rock pile solutions, so they do not come with the Trimble Business Center as a part of it. Then you have macros, so these are basically the RPS tools. Support. Now, I don't think I have all the ribbons on. Let's just go there and see if there is more. So there is tunnels. There is a whole module for tunneling and those routines. Mobile mapping, same idea. Piling. And I think that's it. So this is just a broad overview what the Trimble Business Center is capable of. If you like what you see, go and check out other videos, because I kind of touch bases on different things all over the place, whatever you guys are interested. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe up here, and we'll see you next video.